me to reintroduce myself. My name is world famous, one of the greatest living legend. Did I mention my resume is amazing? The game.
So, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So, I've been up for like an hour. It's 5 o'clock. I got a lot of stuff to do today as far as like trying to get stuff out the floor, put stuff away. I opened my pots and pans yesterday. I wanted to do an unboxing with y'all with a lot of stuff, but it was like basically everything I needed to use, I would have like had to stop before doing unboxing. And I ain't had time, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Every time I hear a noise, any little thing, I'm just so antsy. It was a big wasp in the house yesterday. But babe's brother killed it, because I'm like, they stand there talking, I'm like, is that a big ass bug? He was like, oh yes it is. He said, killed that shit. So y'all can see all this stuff. Like, I gotta get all this stuff together. It's doing a lot. But this is the Celsius I'm drinking. Mango passion fruit. So I wanted to just prep a little bit of meat right here. So I have like some boneless pork ribs, and I think I had like some chicken wings or something. I can't remember what else, but I'm just going to season this up, seal it up real good, and put it in the freezer. So I'm going to be doing some videos with y'all of meal prepping and meal planning and stuff like that. So y'all will see that coming up in a future video. And just trying to make it a little easier on myself for the days when I'm at work or I'm gonna be doing a double. That's when I'll just pull this out in the morning when I get off. I could just pop it in the oven, make a couple quick sides, and that'd be that. One thing I will say is a dishwasher is definitely on the list, okay? I'm gonna start, well, I wanted to start with this TV stand. This is what it looked like right here. So, it was too many damn pieces. I could not figure out where to start, and I ain't feel like being bothered with it. So I put that shit right back in the box, and I'm gonna leave that for Babe to do, and I'm gonna just get into putting this freaking clothes rack together, whatever it's called. I want to use this for my work uniforms mostly. I don't know if I might use it for something else, but that's what I'm using it for right now, and it's kind of a little crooked still, so I need to get a little more help to get that together.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
This is a couple days later. I end up leaving out for agency shift, but they didn't have me on the schedule, so I end up coming right back. Yeah, so I just picked up a couple of groceries once I left there and going to replace a couple of things that ran out.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Hey everybody, good morning. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So today is like my first day at this home health nursing job. I'm going to go ahead and step into this, give this a try. I feel like it might be a lot better for me while I'm in school. So we'll see. We're going to do like skills and we have a test and everything. So it's supposed to be, I think, like 4 hours. After that, I have to go to my old job, one of my old jobs, and see about working there again or reinstating my PRN. I don't know. I was PRN and then I just, start doing other things, so I didn't pick up anything. So sheesh, y'all, I've been having a freaking run for my money, okay? All day. So I'm finally just making it back in. I'm switching my shoes out. I had an agency shift today, 3 to 11, and they didn't need me, but I gotta go back tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another day. So I got some repair people coming out to look at the refrigerator because we have a warranty on it, but it's already acting up. The freezer is fine, everything is frozen, but the refrigerator is acting funny. Nothing, it's like getting cold, then it's not, and I don't need my meat trying to go bad. So I've been doing that for a couple of days. I'm about to just take some of this stuff off the top of the refrigerator and just turn on the lights, move stuff around, get ready for them to come.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
Okay, so the repair guy just left. He was not able to fix the refrigerator. Look what she got, y'all. I'm a effing ticket, okay? That's Philly for you. Parked in front of my own house and got a ticket. Okay, so I gotta put this up. So they just finished down here, and this is the replacement refrigerator. They still outside trying to like load the stuff into the truck, but I mean it's not really what I wanted, but it's good enough. The freezer, I'm not really worried about the freezer. That's why I got the deep freezer. But I really wanted a big refrigerator space, but this is the refrigerator. I think a water filter thing goes in here or something. I don't know. I'm gonna find out about that, or maybe getting a new one. But this is what it is. No extra like bends or frills, but it's what it is. So we about to clean out the refrigerator real quick and put this stuff back in there so it can get cold. I had to hurry up and take this stuff out the refrigerator because they came right away. So I'm gonna clean the refrigerator and put this stuff up, wipe up the stove and the dishes. And I want to take out some beef for dinner tomorrow. So y'all, I just want to thank y'all so much for showing me support by coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.